Hello my friends, how are you doing today? My name is Stefan and we are going to continue our painting. Actually, that's not completely true. I was doing this 60 by 90 centimeters diamond painting and it was a horrible painting. It's finally done and on the end I was happy with the end results, but never again. I wanted to buy a frame for it because it's a giveaway, so I'm going to give this painting to someone, and yeah, to give it just like a canvas painting, not really nice. But I cannot find a frame for the moment. We are not anymore in lockdown, but not all the stores are open yet, so I went to some stores, but I did not find what I was looking for. And to store this big painting, I just put it under my carpet, and I know it's not really the best place to store your painting maybe, but last days I removed my carpet and just slowly, not like I removed it like this, because then I was thinking maybe the diamonds are flying around, but actually it's pretty smooth and flat and nice, and I was really surprised. So if you have a painting that is popping up a little or not really flat and you have a carpet, try to put it under your carpet. I walk over it, I just use my place normally, so it is possible. In the meantime, I start with a new painting, a small one. Actually, I already did this, and this I did just do in one day, so this one is going fast and there are no diamonds falling off and it sticks really perfect. It's a snow landscape, not really the painting that I should buy or should do. How do I say this? I should not buy it. It was a free painting. So a company gave it to me to test it and to look how it went, and till now it goes pretty well. We are going to paint a little bit more today, but it's a nice quality painting, not too big, not too small. It's 40 by 50 centimeters or 50 by 40 centimeters, and it goes pretty smooth. So yeah, without any more talking, let us start paint a little bit, and on the end, of course, I will show you the end results again. So let's paint. So this is it. Here you see a part that we already did. I say diamonds are not falling off, but there is just one that came from here, but okay, no problem. We're going to do a part like this here, maybe like this big today, 10-15 centimeters over the whole white of what we already did. So let me get my stuff and then we are going to start. So what are we going to use? We are using the paper with the symbols and the diamond numbers. I'm using my white tray. Where are you? There. I also have those green trays. Actually, I never use them anymore. I always use the white one. It's a little bit bigger and it has this opening on the bottom. And those green ones I use to keep the paper, the leftovers, or the not that nice diamonds who I can't use. And I have this sticky stuff here also. What do I use more? Of course, my diamond pen. Those are coming separate. It's more nice to, it lies better in your hand. If you're interested in those rubbers, just contact me, and I have some, and what do I use more? Tweezer. Actually, this tweezer came with those horrible hurricane paintings that I had, but the tweezers are nice. They are iron, not plastic, and Actually, I use this one always. I have this medical knife, and with this I cut the paper. If you use this, don't push too hard, because then you will cut right through your canvas, and that's not what we want. What I do is I keep this small green tray. I put it just next to my my line that is almost already done, so you can slide it like this, and I take my knife and I just cut like this, and then I cut 2 or 3 pieces, depends of what kind of paper they use. This is a white one, it's 20 centimeters long because there are 2 and it's 40, and sometimes they use 10 or 12 centimeters. So now I cut it in 3 pieces, and then I remove up one part. I put this in the tray and I put it on the side, and then let us start. Yeah, this has 5-6 colors, so let me focus a little bit more on this part, and then we are going to paint. So here we are again. We are done for today. We did this part. So we did the street light part of the tree, and actually from far away it looks pretty nice. You see the tree with the red beads inside and the street light. And first, when I was making this, I was thinking, what will this be? This purple part, because actually it's purple when you start to paint it, and then from farther away, when the colors mixed, it's get brown, and then on the end you see it's a street light. So till so far I'm happy with the end results. In the next painting, in the next video, I will try that I already have this part finished, so it continues a little bit faster. And yeah, here starts another house, part of the tree here and another tree on this side. Yeah, and then the houses on the bottom and a lot of white. Actually, I say a lot of white, but there is no white at all in this painting. It's so strange. It's all snow, but not even white. It's blue, yellow, purple, this kind of colors, but no white inside. So this was it for today. Thank you for watching. Actually, I have something else. I am making my website. In previous videos I already talked about this, but if you want, I have my link in the description box below. I have all my diamond painting videos there. I have some tips about diamond painting, about the difference between diamond painting with square diamonds, round diamonds, and with pebble diamonds, about different sizes of paintings, and you can subscribe there at my newsletter so you get a notification or an email when I post a new blog or a new video. So if you're interested, just visit my website and let me know what you think of it. It's not completely finished yet, but I'm working on it. So thank you for watching again, and see you real soon in a new video. Thank you. Bye bye.